Apples, pears, oranges, ginger, turmeric. Delicious. Now you can add the hopper extension on there. Boom. And you get like 25% more. So you can juice a lot more stuff. Not bad. So now we can just set it and let it do its thing. Ooh, that is better than any juice you can buy in the store, hands down. If you guys are interested in this juicer, I will leave a link down below. This is the Kuvings Auto 10 Plus. Bunch of upgrades, extended hopper, stainless steel blade. You get a couple extra attachments, the strainer. It's a cool color. But yeah, hands down 10 out of 10. The machine is super nice. You have no issues. Fill it up, let it do its thing. It separates the juice from the solids. You can do what you wish with the solids, but you're left with some pretty good tasting juice.